I was out of work for a period of time and I was struggling to find work, so eventually I decided to start volunteering. Through that then, it led me to my new role as a staff trainer, which was something that's been an aspiration of mine for a while. The truth is, when I came into this sector, I didn't have a GCSE to my name, and now I've got accredited qualifications, been given various training courses, and it's allowed me to progress to a point now where I'm actually delivering training to other staff. You shouldn't let your personal life history get in your way of a job in this sector. There's so much you've got to offer. You go home at the end of the day knowing that you're a positive person in your community, that you are being the change that society needs. It enriches your life so much.